Peace, family. What's good, man? It's your brother Cool. I know it's been a minute. Been busy. Been living life in my proper status, and just trying to achieve certain goals and things for myself and build. You know what I'm saying, to secure my family, like every other more trying to do. So with that, it's good to see y'all, man. I'm well. I'm in good health. I'm in good spirits. I just want to update everyone, let y'all know I'm in Norkep, also known as modernly New York territory. Um, I'll be doing lectures out here for the month of September while I'm out visiting, right, or sojourning. So lectures will be held in they will be held in Rockaway, um, at the local village dojo. So the information as far as the location, time, um, it'll approximately be held every Saturday and Sunday. Saturday from 5 to 7:30 p.m. and Sunday from 3 to 5:30 p.m. It'll be 15 notes at the door. You know what I'm saying? Donation to get in, and I will make it worth more than your while. You know what I'm saying? To show you the proper process on how to get your status corrected and recognized to the point where you can be able to function and live your life as a non-citizen national and just focus on building wealth and establishing a better life for yourself and your heirs. Um, the details to the lectures, they are in the description. So go to the description box and hit the link, and you'll be able to get everything you need from there. Also, on a flip note, I am currently out here in Albany State. In Albany, I was going to say Albany State, right? I'm in New York, or at New York, near Albany. So I'll be out here until Friday, man. So, if you got some of the Moors out here and stuff, they want to come out, build while I'm out here in Albany till Friday afternoon, then email me, Sunel University, SUNELUNIVERSITY @gmail.com, and we'll go from there, man. All right, it's good to see y'all, family. I'm very well. Everything cool. Ain't got no problems over here. Family good. Just building and expanding. You know what I'm saying? Expanding the body politic known as Sunel, and just growing, just doing what we got to do. All right, just pushing that mission forward of uplifting fallen humanity. So hit me up, man. Email me, rock out with me, man, while I'm out here. Be sure to come check me out at those lectures, man. Like I said, I'm not holding nothing back, so I'm giving you everything you need to get yourself right. Right? Like the prophet said, I done everything to save the nation. Take it and save yourselves. I done took it and saved mine. You need to do the same. So come check me out, man. All right, peace.